Welcome back, Brick Buddies. Or better yet, should I say, welcome all wizards and witches to one of the most magical LEGO sets ever created. Even if you're a muggle or a no-mage, you'll become completely enchanted with the set that I'm about to share with you today. This is the Harry Potter Hogwarts Icon Collector's Edition. It's set number 76391 and made of 3,010 pieces for a total of 22 bags. Of course, we have the beautiful picture on the front. On the back of the box, we see even more secrets and surprises. We even get to customize the house scarves. I always love reading through the beginning of every instruction book. There's always some really neat, fun facts and tidbits in it. The introduction of this book is really neat because it talks about the 20th anniversary of Harry Potter and all the sets that have led up to where we are today. There's also a detailed illustration in the beginning of the book telling us what each individual piece is in the build. Now, I could let you read through this entire section, but it's way more fun to do an actual show and tell. Included in this set is a life-size version of a chocolate frog that was introduced in our very first movie. You're even able to articulate the frog and pose him in any position you would like him to be in. The set also features 3 special edition minifigures available only in this set. From left to right, we have Professor McGonagall, Professor Albus Dumbledore, and Rubus Hagrid. The back of each of these minifigs is imprinted with the 20-year stamp. I love the special touch that they did with Albus Dumbledore, putting him on the chocolate frog card. And who wouldn't be excited to get this letter in the mail? I think we were all anxiously awaiting our letter from Hogwarts on our 11th birthday. I know I was. To the right of the letter, we have the famous Golden Snitch. According to Harry Potter lore, centuries ago, a rare magical bird called the Golden Snigget was released during Quidditch games for each team's seeker to catch. The species eventually became protected and inspired the design of the familiar gold-plated metal ball. There's also several potion bottles included in this set, including the Polyjuice potion, which our famous trio of kids took in order to take on the form of some of their other classmates, a bottle of gillyweed, which Harry used in the 4th movie, The Goblet of Fire, so he was able to breathe underwater during one of the challenges. We also have a bottle of powdered root of asphodel and wormwood infusion, which was introduced to us by Professor Snape in Harry's first potions class.
Tell me, what would I get if I added powdered root of asphodel to an infusion of wormwood?
Snape's draft of the living death reference in Harry's first potions class may reveal his grief for Lily Potter. In mythology, asphodel, which is a lily, is connected with the dead, and wormwood is connected with bitterness.
After all this time. Always.
This set also includes a bottle of Felix Felicis, otherwise known as liquid luck.
Few would describe running into an Aquamantula funeral as luck, but for Harry, it was perfect timing, thanks to Felix Felicis. Some charms or spells may cause similar effects to certain potions, but no spell can conjure up luck.
Well, how do you feel?
Excellent.
The pieces that make up this potion bottle also glow in the dark. All these potion bottles fit nicely into Hermione Granger's crate. And who can forget Harry's wand? One of the most important props in any Harry Potter movie. Did you know that around 70 versions of Harry's wand and more than 3,000 wands in total were created for the actors in the movies? In Ollivander's wand shop, 17,000 wand boxes were stacked on shop shelves, and in every nook and cranny, each of them with a unique handmade label. The scarf at the bottom of the build is a nice touch. All the pieces are included for you to customize your house scarf to represent whatever house you choose. Do we want Gryffindor? Nope. Ravenclaw? I don't think so. Slytherin? Definitely not for me. With a snap of my magic fingers, boom, Hufflepuff. I'm House Hufflepuff, so I have to represent. Comment below and let me know to which house do you belong. Most comments wins. The set also includes Harry's signature glasses. The arms are able to move in and out. Harry's signature glasses often needed an
Oculus repair room. That's better, isn't it?
On the Muggle film sets, around 160 pairs were used over the course of the 8 movies. Hidden neatly in this model and making up the base of the build, we have Tom Riddle's diary. Unbeknownst to Harry, the first Horcrux he encounters is the diary of Tom Marvolo Riddle. When it slipped into a pile of Ginny Weasley's books by Lucius Malfoy in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Perched on top of Tom Riddle's diary are a few more school books. Now that we got the base of Tom Riddle's diary, the books, and Hermione's crate out of the way, let's get on to building Hedwig. Oh my gosh, look at the owl toes. They're so cute! Harry's beloved owl Hedwig was a gift from Hagrid.
Happy birthday!
And became a faithful companion who stuck by Harry through to the very end. Did you know that 4 different snowy owls were trained to play Hedwig in the movies? Well, you do now. We still have the rest of the wings to add, but you can already tell this is an impressive build. Each feather is uniquely crafted and sized for this model. And that about wraps up this spellbinding set. If you'd like to see even more magical builds, check out my other videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe.